Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen amma ba'd fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today you are going to learn Madani Qaida lesson number 6. Let's learn the rules first. Number 1. Read this lesson both ways, that is Rawa without spelling as well as Hijje with spelling. That means you have to read this lesson with spelling and without spelling, both ways. For example, first of all, you will read line 1 with spelling. After that, you will read the same line without spelling. Then line 2 with spelling and then without spelling. Then line 3 with spelling and without spelling. In this way, you will read the whole lesson with spelling and without spelling. Next rule. Take special care in correctly pronouncing harakat, tanween and all the letters, especially the huruf of mustaliya. That means when you see harakat in this lesson, in lesson number 6, so you have to pronounce harakat without stretching and without suddenly pausing the voice. When you see tanween, you have to read as you learned in lesson 5. When you see huruf mustaliya, you have to read with thicker voice as you learned in lesson number 1. So take special care in pronouncing and applying all of the previous rules. So let's start reading from line 1. I teach you first line with spelling and without spelling, and you have to read rest of the lines by yourself. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Noon zabar na, za zabar za, naza, lam zabar la, nazala, kha zabar kha, lam zabar la, khala, qaf zabar qa, khalaqa, صاد زبر صا، دال زبر دا، صدا، قاف زبر قا، صدقا، یا زبر یا، دال زبر دا، یادا، کاف زبر کا، یادا کا، با زبر با، لام زبر لا، بالا، غین زبر غا، بلغا، طا زبر تا، با زبر با، طبع، عين zabar a, taba'a. You have read the whole line with spelling. Now you have to read the same line without spelling, like that. Nazala, khalaqa, sadaqa, yadaka, balagha, taba'a. I have taught line 1. Now you have to read and practice the rest of the lines by yourself. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ala Muhammad.